Hey guys, today I'd like to share a quick tutorial on how to affordably and securely pack your bike for travel. All this will take are some standard tools any cyclist should have around their house. One thing I found is that if you go to your local bike shop, they will typically have a bunch of foam laying around from the bikes that are shipped to them. Most are friendly enough to where they'll give you as much as you need. Luckily, my local shop is a Scott dealer, so they were even able to hook me up with a Scott bike box. Since I'll be disassembling the bike on the floor, it's a good idea to lay down a blanket or a towel so you don't scuff up the floor, but mainly your bike. First step is to take off the pedals. We'll find that we aren't able to fit the bike in the box with them bulging out. These SPD pedals take a 8mm Allen key, but most pedals can take a wrench or a 5mm spanner to remove them. I find myself keeping the original boxes for most of my bike related purchases. It comes in handy if you want to find a safe place to put them while traveling. Once we remove the pedals, you'll want to go ahead and remove the front wheel. Be sure to take out the quick release or through axle and store it somewhere safe in the box. Once we remove the pedals, you'll want to go ahead and remove the front wheel. Be sure to take out the quick release or through axle and store it somewhere safe in the box. We'll then go about removing the handlebars from the stem. Instead of removing the stem from the steer tube, we'll find that it is an easier way to get the handlebars out of the way without loosening the fork or bearings. Once the handlebars are out of the way, we'll find that putting the face plate back onto the stem and securely tightening it will be one less thing you'll have to worry about getting lost or damaged. Now that the handlebars and front wheel are removed, we will start compacting it all by putting the front wheel over the front triangle of the frame. As we notice where the contact points are with the wheel and the frame, go ahead and put some foam and secure them into place with either some Scotch tape or, if you want to feel that more confident, some inexpensive Velcro straps. We'll then want to use the handlebars to sandwich the wheel against the frame. The handlebar tape acts as a protective layer, so we shouldn't have to worry about anything rubbing. We'll then want to check where any contact points are and apply some foam in those areas. And just like that, we should be able to stand the bike up and see that everything is snug in place. We will want to remove the seat posts for obvious reasons. Another thing you can check for at the bike shop are these cardboard seat covers that are really useful to repurpose on your own bike. Before placing the bike in the box, we will want to add some additional foam around the main tubes of the bike. This should help prevent anything hitting the side of the box and coming in direct contact with the bare frame. We can then go ahead and place the bike in the box. We'll notice that it is a pretty snug fit. Try to see where the cardboard is touching anything, and we'll add some foam there as well. Just like that, we can then start taping the box up and either have it shipped to where we are going, or if you're driving, it makes it a lot easier to pack it in the back of the vehicle.